We have been hearing about Google AI Studio and its stream future quite a lot these days. Like, I just want to test this and show you how you can do wonders with Google AI Studio, how it will actually help in making your things done in an easy way. So this is AI Studio, Google AI Studio. Like, this is the home page. Like, when you open it, like, you will see an option called stream in the left side, and you will see three different options here: talk, webcam, and share screen. All you have to do is, like, you need to click share screen here, and I said, like, entire screen. Now I am sharing my screen. So now I will ask Google AI to help me in finding cheapest flight tickets to some place.
Okay, I can help with that.
Okay, like, help me in finding cheapest flight tickets to Vietnam.
To find the cheapest flight tickets to Vietnam, I recommend using flight comparison websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, or Kayak. You can enter your departure and dates and destination, and these sites will show you options from various airlines, allowing you to compare prices and find the best deals.
Okay, like, here I'm writing cheapest flights to.
Yes, those are all good search terms. Once you search, you should see a list of options. You can filter the results by price, duration, and other factors to find the cheapest flights.
So, like, how to pick the best one from the list of search results
When
here?
choosing the best option, consider factors like the total price, the duration of the flight, including any layovers, the airline's reputation, and the departure and arrival times. Sometimes a slightly more expensive flight might be better if it has a shorter travel time or more convenient schedule.
Okay, wait. See, help me pick one link from all the search results here. One link, just one
Based on the
link.
search results visible on your screen, the Skyscanner link appears to be a good starting point. It mentions flights from India to Vietnam from around 4,328 rupees. Clicking on that link will take you to their website where you can
Okay,
compare different
this
flight
is helpful.
options.
Now, let me try doing something else. Like, maybe I will open Sheets now. So I have this Excel sheet opened in my desktop. So I want to add color to these column headings. So how to do that?
To add color to the column headings, first select the cells containing the headings, usually the first row. Then look for the fill color option in the toolbar. It looks like a paint bucket icon. Click on it and choose the color you want to apply.
Okay. So now I want to make this column heading size bigger, or the complete column size bigger. How to do that?
To make the column heading size bigger, select the cells with the headings. Then look for the font size option in the toolbar, usually a number next to the font name. Click on it and select a larger size. To make the Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you. So this is how we can use Google AI Studio for all our tasks. Like, I hope you have seen how I have used it. So you can just share your screen and ask anything that you want, and Google will reply you in its own voice. So it's amazing, right? Like, whatever you're doing, like, if it might be a work, it might be maybe like the things that I have did, like maybe searching for flight tickets or booking something or anything, taking decisions in your browser. You can ask Google on live, and it will help you to do the things in a better way. So I'm impressed with the way Google helped me in doing these things. Even to, like, I tried it for testing purpose, but for some really serious things it will definitely help. I hope you found this helpful, and if you haven't tried Google AI Studio yet, like, please try your luck and utilize it for your daily task. Thank you for watching. And for more AI related content, might be AI tools, AI innovations, and any other thing related to AI, please subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any update related to AI.